How's it going, boys and girls? It's been a minute. Your neighborhood wacko here. It's March 16, 11:59 in the morning, 2026, I should say. I'm gonna open the door. I want to add that we had a little bit of a snowstorm last night, and prior to the storm, everything was cleared. There was no snow on my steps. There was no snow on the truck. The camper roof was 100% clear. There's no snow anywhere. So we got a little bit of a storm, and I got to go outside and snow blow it all. That's just the start of it. There's Steph. He's out there snow blowing. This was all cleaned. Like, there was no snow anywhere here. I gotta go. Mila, you coming? I gotta go. Oh. So it's a good 2 feet deep. Oh yeah, door's locked. Oh yeah, garbage. Oh. Yeah, see all the snow on the camper? That wasn't there yesterday. I shoveled all that off, and I shoveled it in the bed of my truck because it was melting. So that's why there's so much snow in the bed of the truck. Like where the camper door is, I opened that door yesterday. So quite the snowfall we had. So I got to dig out the snowblower, and then I clean my entire spot. I got to bring this. I'm gonna throw that down there. That's garbage. And I'm gonna throw my shovel down there, because we're gonna need that. Can barely see my four-wheeler. A little bit of snow. All of this snow here wasn't here. Again, like this is epic. I love snowstorms, don't get me wrong. I love winter. But I'm over it this year. A good thing I didn't have to go to work today, because I wasn't making it out. Oh. The alley got cleaned, more or less. It's pretty much the height of the bumper, not just a bit higher than the bumper. Cab of the truck's covered. Right there, there's a snowmobile in there. The snowmobile wasn't buried like that yesterday. Fun times. Alright, so let's get some gas in the snowblower. I'm knee deep right here. That's how bad it is. Ray's outside with his snowblower. Run the truck for a bit. Yeah, the snowblower technically was not covered yesterday. I'll put my gloves on. I just set you guys right down here. Oh yeah, it's perfect. I think you guys can see. You can see what I can see, maybe. This is crazy. There's a lot of snow. Not the worst storm we've had. We had another big storm a month ago, I think. I need it facing that way. Or not. Pull it. Oh, I might have to pull a truck forward. I hope I don't. Yeah, bitch. That's good enough. Still out of shape. Nothing's new there. Okay, the gas is in the camper. Which is buried. These are just resting in snow. Did bring a beer. Boop, right there. I did, it's still out of shape, but I did lose 6 pounds. I've been exercising and walking a lot more. Okay, keys for that. It's crazy. Pull cord's broken. Starter's broken. Alright guys, here's an update. About 2 hours later. As I'm not done, I still gotta come back, do more tomorrow. Told you guys there was a snowmobile back there. It's frozen in there. She's there. I gotta dig all that out tomorrow. Maybe I'm off till Friday. Welcome to winter 2026. There's no ground there, just snow. That's 7-8 feet high. Sorry, I leave the snowblower. This is not my responsibility right here. Fuck 'em. Well, the door opened. Good thing I wasn't gone for long. Right, Mila? Well, there you have it. A little bit of an Eskimo. I'm covered. My pants are supposed to be gray. You guys can't see fuck all anyway. That was about 50 to 60 centimeters of snow. That's what you get. I got my fucking, I forgot my vice grips in there. There you have it. Snow removal, Northern Ontario, Canada, March 16, 2026. Cool. I gotta go back out tomorrow, so I might do another video. But yeah, another thing. So the video ended. It's my technically my first winter with an actual GoPro. I'm not impressed with the batteries, man. I'm not impressed. Like, I put one battery when I left the house, which is the video when it started. I don't know when it died. I had another battery in my pocket. I was out there for, I don't know, half an hour. I swapped batteries out. That's not gonna go there. I swapped batteries out from the one that was in my pocket. Insta dead, immediately dead. And I know they're always fully charged. I don't want that there. So not too impressed with the GoPro batteries. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little clippage of snow removal. Winter, I'm hoping, is over soon enough. But yeah, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you boys and girls in the next video.